Okay class, today we are gonna learn about.
Miss Green, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, but hurry back in 3 minutes please.
I'm going to pull down the fire alarm.
Now I better get out of here.
It's a fire. We gotta get out of here. Line up. I don't want to die. Why?
It's okay, Rosie, just stick with me. A few minutes later. Hey, Frightmare, what are you doing? I just want to say that I witnessed Arnold pull down the fire alarm in the school corridor. Check the school security cameras.
I'm going to pull down the fire alarm.
GRRRRRRRRR. Thanks for telling me, Frightmare. You have a week off from school with no homework. You can go home now. Arnold is back, baby. Please report to the principal's office. Yes, principal. Why do you look so angry? Did you pull the fire alarm switch? Yes, I did. Arnold. How dare you pull down the fire alarm? You know we shouldn't pull down the fire alarm unless there's a fire or a drill. You are suspended for 15 days. Get out of here. And I am calling your mom.
Warning, turn down your volume because there is a ear rape. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
How dare you pull down the fire alarm and get expelled for 15 days? You are grounded for 737 7 3 2 9 9 3 9 3 3 7 2 9 3 7 3 783 years. Go to your room right now.
What? Hey.
Stop crying like a baby or else I will get the shotgun and shoot you in the balls.
Frightmare question, what would you do if Arnold pulled down the fire alarm?